In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Notion calendar into Notion. This process is straightforward, and once you learn it, will become a valuable tool in organizing your tasks and deadlines more effectively. Notion is a powerful application that allows you to structure and customize your notes in dynamic ways, and using a calendar view can bring a lot of clarity to managing date-related tasks. To get started, you need to have a Notion database that already contains a date property. This is an essential requirement because without it, Notion will not be able to pull the necessary information to populate your calendar. If your database does not have a date property yet, you can easily add one before proceeding. Open your Notion workspace and navigate to this database. Make sure your date property is set up correctly, as this will be the foundation of your calendar view. Now, with your database open, direct your attention to the view options. Typically, you will see an option labeled Please Add a View. Alternatively, if you already have a different view open like a table or list, you might see the name of the current view instead. Click on Please Add a View or the current view name if that option is available. Doing so will bring up the different view options that Notion offers. In the view options, you'll notice several different ways to visualize your data. For our purpose, focus on selecting the Calendar option from this list. This choice allows Notion to organize items by date, giving you a calendar-like interface that presents all your tasks chronologically. It's a fantastic way to visualize upcoming schedules, deadlines, or events in an easy-to-read format. Once you've selected Calendar, you'll be prompted to give this new view a name. This step is not just about labeling, it's about making sure you can easily identify your calendar view later on, especially if you plan to create multiple views within this database. Choose a name that makes sense for the information you're planning to track, such as work schedule or project deadlines. After naming your view, go ahead and click Create. At this point, Notion will generate a new calendar view based on the details in your database's date property. You should now see a calendar interface within your Notion workspace, showcasing your dated entries accordingly. Exploring this new view will allow you to interact with your data differently. You can click on specific dates to add new entries directly, or adjust existing ones by dragging them from date to date. This flexibility makes the calendar view extremely practical for managing both short-term and long-term projects. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to integrating a calendar within Notion. This tool not only enhances your productivity, but also improves the overall organization of your Notion workspace. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore additional features that Notion has to offer to further customize your experience.